and you don't want to lose anything. So it's backtracking. This would be a part 2 because I did not finish in 3 minutes. Again, kind of like purposely doing stuff because I want to show you if you make a mistake, it can take some time. So I'm in a good position right here. I got at least those 2 sides, but you gotta get these in the right position. Oops. Sometimes you can make that mistake too by accidentally. They were already on 5 minutes. That's why this one's a little bit of a harder configuration. I'm trying to focus on my camera and this as well. So I want to do that.